Yeah, that's okay, right?
Oh yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Let me switch. So hello everyone, welcome to EagleEye Spring Review. I will jump into the email. So in this sprint, we have should be this one. So we have
There's a bit of background noise. Can we mute?
My side. Sorry.
It was Toby. I've done it. He's
okay.
muted.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Can we
so,
also increase the font size, please?
Is it better? Okay. Yeah. So I will continue. So we have two goals. So one of goal is to add the video and the docs for the customer experience, right? We just finished the doc, but we haven't done the video. So the video is like half done. Yeah. So yeah, it is because I was like on leave and the client work, and we have some issues when like recording the video. Yeah. So it is like kind of half done. Yeah. And next sprint goal is to define the pricing model. So it is in code review. Yeah, Jim is working on it. So it is a 1 week, but it's kind of like a short sprint because three of us just spent like a few days on it. Yeah. And I will scroll down to the backlog. So we have like 2 PBI done. We have two, 1 in review and 3 in progress. So I will go into the detail. And for the done PBI, I think Geoffrey, you can have a talk about those two. Do you want me to scroll to the screen?
You could just show the screenshots.
So
it was just a bunch of fixes on the UI. So this one was in the portal. So we've made all the text inputs consistent now in terms of height. So all the input boxes and the dropdowns are the same now, and also improve the spacing between each component. So everything looks vertically nice now, basically.
Yeah. And next one, content change for documentation. I will scroll down to a screenshot.
Yeah, so the docs have changed quite a bit now. We've changed the menu on the left and also added more content in it, more screenshots. So in this particular page, which is the report description, we've added 2 more screenshots on the bottom. One is to show how to edit this description, and one is the video that's related to it. But it's ongoing work, so we still have a few PBIs to work on it on the next sprint because the docs are work in progress.
Yeah. Okay, so I will go to some in progress ones. So yeah, so for this video, I think we are still waiting for Marcos to do the editing, right?
Yeah, so he actually just sent me the latest version 5 minutes ago. So I have it. I will upload it to the website, and then I'll mark it as done. So
okay. Yeah, thanks. Yeah. And next one, Jim, you can have a talk about the progress of this one. Yeah. Pricing model.
This one involves some coding works. So basically, the pricing model would be 2 plans. One is free, and the other one is paid. For free plan, the customer can use all features except, for example, the AI with mentions tag. Because it's the most advanced tag type. And for the pro, like for the paid plan, the customer can have access to all the features. But for the specific pricing plan, we still need to talk to Toby and discuss about this. So for this PBI, the current progress is the coding part is in review. We implement feature control, so the backend and the front end will both be plan aware, so they can control the features to enable and disable. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. And so next to
sorry, just with the pricing, once you're comfortable that Toby is okay with it, I would add Louis in and check that he's good, and then Yuli, and then me.
Okay, I will do.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Please.
Okay. And what size of company are you going to allow it to be free? You know.
Allowed. They will be They will be able to select the plan. In the marketplace in the dropdown.
I understand. But what size of company are you going to allow to be free? So there's companies with 5 employees, and there's companies like Microsoft with 228,000 employees. Can Microsoft choose 10 people for it to be free for?
I have a feeling Jim is sort of suggesting in the proposed pricing model that it's going to be just feature based rather than per seat. But yeah, you raise a fair concern there. That's something we'll have to consider.
Yeah, we can discuss later.
Yeah, but like, I know you've done a little bit of thinking. Are Microsoft going to be allowed to put all of their employees in, or some, or none?
Well, from what I hear, Microsoft employees are reducing by the day, so they might be able to flip into that free.
Right. Okay.
Yeah, it's supported. The seat-based pricing is supported.
I'm talking about the free version.
The free version?
With the basic features, basically, I think.
Based on how many employees the company have? I'm not sure. Need to double check.
Let me just try again. There will be a free version, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Will Microsoft be allowed to put all their employees in with limited features, or will they be allowed to put some or none?
In Jim's proposed plan, I think he is saying that they'll be allowed to have as many people as they want, but it'll be reduced in terms of the feature set. But I think that's actually completely something that we should bring in. It should also be limited per seat.
Mm-hmm. So the answer to you, Adam, is everyone. Would be everyone currently.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, do you have any idea the cost of that free plan then?
The cost of a free plan doesn't make sense.
The cost to SSW
of
the
free
plan that you're putting 28,000.
They host it themselves.
Right.
Yeah, that's right. They host themselves. Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Right. So the cost to SSW would be 0, would it?
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
Yes.
Correct.
Minus development costs. Sure. Yeah.
Right. Okay. All right. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Well, that's good.
Yeah, I will continue. Yeah, and next one is still about Easier Marketplace to create a video and docs for customer experience. Yeah, we already kind of mentioned in our goal. And so the progress for this one, so we have a documentation about installation on our website. So you can go to here. Yeah, and here are the installation. Yeah, and later we will have a video, step-by-step video for it and put it here. So that's the progress. Yeah. And last one, I haven't touched this one. Yeah, but this one has been here for a long time. And next sprint, I will work on it first. It's a small task. Yeah. Okay.
Now, weren't you guys planning to record a rough video this sprint?
So Adam, I actually record half of video. Yeah, but because some deploying failure, so it's only half. Yeah. Yeah, now another half, I need to do some configuration after deployment. Yeah, so.
Okay.
We actually talked about in the retro.
Together with in the retro. Yeah. Okay. Before we get to the retro, I just want to know how much was done. And did you do that together with Jim?
So what we did is I have a call with Jim, but I was recording it by myself. Yeah. Do you want me to do it with Jim together? Kind of split the content?
Well, if you see the videos by Chloe and Gilles today for the Chewing the Fat on the SSW TV channel. No, sorry, on the Tina CMS channel.
Yeah.
They divide it up quite nicely, and one person does one chunk and another person does another. Yeah, but obviously part of the goal is to show us what the experience is going to be, because we still don't know. I don't think Toby knows. I don't know. So we just want to see the flow. Now, of course, by doing it, if it gets you to fix a few things, then that's fine as well. The done videos usually do make you fix up some things. Has that been your experience, Jeffrey? When you're recording a done video, you have to fix things to make the video better?
Yeah, correct.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just to be clear with this stuff, Adam, it hasn't just been that they haven't done the video. They have got amazing docs that are like live on the website. So it's actually documented well, but the video is just not complete.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is
Oh,
documentation.
right.
Yeah.
Oh, right. Okay. Great. Oh, thank you for telling me that, Toby.
Yep. No dramas.
Yeah. Thanks. Yeah.
Scroll down. Can I see it?
Yeah. So it's step by
Okay.
step.
All right.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Not a single screenshot. Wow. Okay. On those things where there's a lot of waiting, I'd put a little coffee emoji. If there's 5 minutes waiting, one coffee emoji. If 10 minutes, two, something like that. But,
Okay. Yeah.
But yes, that is definitely a wall of text. But it looks very clear.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, that's impressive. And then next step, set up Power BI. All right. And that links off to another one, will it?
Yeah. It will link to another one in the future. Yeah.
All right. Okay. Yeah. All right. No problems. And at any point, do you expect that companies are going to have to engage us if they don't have the in-house expertise to frig around with Azure?
So for this, so if our documentation is good enough, I think they don't, but we can add another session in the end. So if you have any question, you can like talk to us, right? Email us.
Yes. Yeah, I think I'd put a box there and just say, if you don't have Azure expertise on hand, you can engage SSW Consulting and then link off to our consulting page. And give some type of idea. Usually this will be done within a day.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Please make a note for this. I will update this.
I'm taking notes, yeah. And by the way, regarding notes, Adam, I forgot all the names you mentioned for the pricing. So you wanted to talk to Luis and who else?
Adam, I think.
Yuli and Adam.
Yuri. Okay.
Yeah, so go to Toby, do a sanity check with Toby. Go to Louis. Louis did the pricing for Yak Shaver.
Yeah.
Then to Yuli, Callum, and me. You can talk to all of us in one go, I guess.
Yeah, noted.
Okay, yeah.
Noted, all good.
Okay, I will continue. Yeah. So that's the backlog. For deployments, we have 2 product website deployment and 1 portal deployment. Job execution, all good. And for the report, top 3 users in the last month is Ben, Adam, and Colin. And for the Epic progress, we have 2 in progress for Azure Marketplace, which is the documentation and the pricing. Yeah, and R&D. So this R&D is generated by AI. So mainly it's about define pricing model. Yeah, we did kind of like investigation for the pricing. Yeah. And for AI tools, no change. Yeah, still same. Yeah, so let's go to the retro. I think this retro is quite good. We have a lot of good feedback. And from Toby, so liked Jim and Luke's initiativity to discuss and reduce capacity based on the availability. So in this sprint, we kind of have some like a client work, leave, and Geoffrey working on something else. Yeah, so we remove some PBI from backlog based on the capacity. Yeah, which is good. And from Geoffrey and Luke and documentation, the product website, the content and structure is better. Yeah. And from Jim, so I did a half video for the customer experience and Jim gave me some good feedback on that. Yeah. And what didn't go so well? Yeah, of course, we didn't finish the sprint goal, the video, the most important one. Yeah, I was kind of on some leave and unexpected failure while doing recording. Yeah, this is blocking me. And from Jim, yeah, same. We have unexpected interruptions, kind of work and leave. Yeah. And what improvements? Yeah, so we will focus on the video, yeah, for the customer experience. Yeah, try to get it done. And from me, yeah, I mentioned there's a small PBI is being the backlog for a long time. Yeah, I will work on it first in next sprint. Yeah. So yeah, that's the retro. Yeah, if we're good, I'm going to move to the forecast.
Can I just double check?
Yeah.
I think Jeffrey did a new video in this sprint, but I haven't seen it shown in this recording. Is it on the channel or is it just a link?
So the video was actually test passed last week, just with edits, and Marcus just sent me the last version at the start of this meeting.
Okay, so then it will be put onto the channel.
Yes, you will put on, yeah, public.
Right. Okay. All right. Good. Yeah. Excellent. I think. Yeah. I think the progress is going really well. I think you're running a tight ship, Toby. It's good. I think Luke. Very clear what's going on. Yeah. It's great. Like, can't wait to get there. Yeah. And thank you for calling out that doco. I just didn't know that existed. That's good.
Yep.
Yeah. It needs a few screenshots.
Yeah. I think we can add more screenshots step by step. Yeah, to a doc. Yeah. Well,
but maybe you don't need the screenshots if you have the video of basically you run through this, and that's probably good enough.
Yeah. If we had it doing on top, maybe, yeah, it's good. Okay, yeah. So next sprint, we will still have those two goals. Yeah, we will create a video for the customer experience and the defined pricing model. We will continue those two. Oh, I've got to highlight it. So it will be this one and this one. Yeah, so and except those two, we added two more Asia Marketplace for creating the offer. And Geoffrey added some like UI fix for the product website. Yeah. So let's
now,
next
can I
sprint.
just double check that obviously I see Jeffrey doing a lot of UI stuff. Are you giving all your UI stuff to Jeffrey or are you still doing your own UI stuff?
For me, I'm not doing UI stuff in recent sprint. Yeah, just focusing on Asia Marketplace.
So if something pops up, are you throwing it over to Jeffrey or will you do it yourself?
You mean the UI bug?
Yeah, well, not just UI bugs, but UI work. UI bugs and UI PBIs.
If I can quickly jump in. Yeah, so
these are just email tasks I received from you, Adam, these two UI fixes.
Yeah, I know that. I'm asking.
Okay, right.
What I'm giving you. I'm asking what the other guys are asking you to do.
Yeah, if it is high priority, I will probably just pick it up and do it. Yeah. Right. But I need to check with Toby first. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
So Toby, are you happy for Jeffrey to be trying to take all the load of the front end stuff off Jim and Luke?
I don't think it's necessarily that. It's just that the work that they're doing at the moment is primarily concerned with like backend and infrastructure and whatnot. Where Jeffrey is taking on the UI work because it's sort of essential to unblock the video, or also you're sending these tasks directly through to him rather than yak shaving them onto the backlog. So it sort of makes sense for him to action it. But if they come across, like if Luke or Jim come across UI work, I'm sure they'll be handling it if it's part of their PBI.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
I don't think it would be good to silo it. So it's like, we've got purely front end, we've got purely back end. Not a good way of doing it.
But I think Jeffrey has capacity where Jim and Luke are slammed.
Oh, yeah, sure. Like if it's a matter of breaking up the PBI to help those these guys, yeah, I agree.
Now the other thing is Jeffrey is very good at doing the videos. He could potentially record the video of getting the thing up and running for Luke and Jim, and they're focusing on the other stuff. I'm not sure. There's just an idea. Yeah, and maybe there's other parts of EagleEye that Jeffrey could do as well.
Yeah. I'm trying to see if Jovi can work on some like Asia marketplace stuff.
It would be nice if you could, if Jeffrey, you can be across the work as well.
Yes.
Like
Yeah,
the marketplace stuff.
Yeah. So Jeffrey, there's other parts. You could learn the marketplace stuff, which could help you with the Actiover as well. Or you could just worry about the C# side of things and not the Azure side. Yeah.
Right. And just to be clear, Alan, you know how we talked about these side tasks I'm going to work on too, which has the Angular workshop and all of these? Which one is priority to you?
Let's not do this during an EagleEye sprint review, but EagleEye is my priority.
Okay, no worries. I'll focus on EagleEye more. Awesome.
Okay, so that's the next sprint. Yeah. We are hoping to get a video done and pricing model. Yeah. So that's it. That's for this sprint. Yeah. So thank you guys. You can check out our video on the YouTube channel. See you guys. Bye.
Okay.
Thanks, Luke. Thanks, everyone.
Bye. See ya.
Stop recording.